Hello everyone, my name is Daniel Waters and welcome to another dance lesson. Today we're going to talk about disco. Disco emerged in the streets of New York and Philadelphia during the late 1960s. During the 1970s, most major cities in the US had thriving disco scenes with clubs and discotheques all over town. During 1977, shows like Disco Step by Step and Soul Train became very popular. Films such as Saturday Night Fever and Thank God It's Friday contributed to disco's mainstream popularity. Disco continues to be very influential. We can see a lot of disco influences in bands such as Daft Punk and artists like The Weeknd and Dua Lipa. So today I'm gonna teach you the basic steps. First step, we're gonna grab one hand, make a fist, put it up high. Another hand, make a fist. And then we're gonna bend the elbows, and then we're gonna start doing rolls. Yeah. Rolling the arms a little faster. Great. We can do it side to side, down and down. First step, rolls. Second step, we're gonna add a little bit of a hip thrust. So we're gonna bend our knees to protect knees, and then we're gonna swing our hips front and back like a little boat rocking in the ocean. We add the rolls with it. Yeah. All right, a fan favorite. Third step, we're gonna point. Cross the leg and point. Cross the leg. Point, cross, point, cross. Doing great. Nice. Now that we're here with the leg crossed, you can also bring your arms in and you'll do a turn. Step out of it. Nice. Let's see that one more time. You're pointing, you're crossing, bring it in, step out of it. Great. How many steps have we done? Next step. Next step. We're gonna just do a little step side, bring it in, replace step side, bring it in, replace step side, and then we add some speed. Let's see that one more time. We're almost near the end. We're gonna bring our hands together, interlock the fingers, then we're gonna do elbow and wrist, wrist and elbow. It's a little wave. You can take it up high. Nice. Two more steps. Kick the leg, bring it in, open. Kick the leg, bring it in, open. Last step, I'm gonna play the guitar. Little hip side to side, one knee bend, the other one straight, just playing the guitar. All right, now let's try it with music. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, other side. 5, 6, let's go down. 5, 6, other side. Great. Now let's practice our hip thrust. Bend your knees, diagonal, go. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Other side. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Great. Don't forget to point. Bring it in. Point. In. Point, in, point, in, point, in. Great. Give me some elbows. Elbows, elbows, elbows. Yeah. Now, let's walk around. Get the crowd. Yeah. We're doing great. We're gonna open, close, open, close. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yes. Great. Next, we're gonna put our fingers together. Wave. Behind the head. Yeah. Finally, we're gonna cross, turn, and hook. Cross, turn, and hook. Yeah. finally, fan favorite, fingers. 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 And play your guitar. Bass. Drums. Yes. Alright everyone, great job. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment and share this video with all your friends so we can all keep on dancing. Bye. You're gonna kick and open and kick and open. Yeah. Why does it look so funny?
It doesn't. It's just that you're doing it in complete silence.
We'll edit some music in. Do you think people are learning at home? I hope so.